Greetings and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be taking a closer look at the all-new 2025 BMW X3 Hybrid. This luxurious and redesigned SUV boasts a blend of performance, efficiency, and comfort, making it a compelling option for discerning drivers. The 2025 BMW X3 plug-in hybrid is expected to come with a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that is paired with an electric motor. This powertrain is expected to produce a combined output of 292 horsepower. While specific details regarding the electric motor are yet to be revealed, the 48-volt mild hybrid system promises enhanced fuel efficiency without compromising the driving experience you expect from a BMW. The interior of the 2025 BMW X3 plug-in hybrid is expected to be luxurious and comfortable. It will likely feature a fully digital instrument cluster, a large touchscreen infotainment system, and heated and ventilated seats. The official release date for the 2025 BMW X3 Hybrid is still forthcoming. However, considering it's already mid-2024, you can expect to see it arrive in dealerships sometime later this year or early 2025. Pricing information is also yet to be announced, but we can anticipate it to start in the mid-$50,000 range based on the pricing of the outgoing model. The 2025 BMW X3 Hybrid represents a compelling proposition for those seeking a luxurious and efficient SUV. It delivers a refined driving experience, a comfortable and tech-laden interior, and the practicality of a spacious cargo area. While we await the official release date and pricing details, the X3 Hybrid is undoubtedly a vehicle worth keeping an eye on. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more exciting car reviews.